Here's my most recent acquisition. These are Marx Originals, a pair of Allstate AB E7s. A friend of mine gave me a really good deal on them. Thank him for them. They run really good. The only thing is they had that translucent shell, so the front end sort of lights up like a glow bug, but we'll take them for a test spin anyway. Great, they run good. Later on, Mark started painting the insides of the front of the Allstate and the Union Pacific. They put black paint in there so that the headlight wouldn't glow through like that. But it's kind of neat to see the run them vintage just the way that Mark's made them. So take care, God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.